Hi there, it's Chris here from selfmadenewbie.com. Welcome to this HydraVid review. For those of you out there who are looking to make life easier as far as your content distribution goes, HydraVid is really going to help you out. In a nutshell, what HydraVid is going to do is, say for example, you're the kind of person who is creating content on one particular platform like YouTube, and you're putting it out on YouTube, your content, and then you're going over to Facebook and putting it on there, and you're going over to Twitter and putting it on there, and then StumbleUpon and Medium and whatever, Twitter, Instagram stories, you're doing all that, and it's just a bunch of copy and paste malarkey, and you know, it just takes up a lot of time and it's super tedious. If you're tired of that and you want a tool in your tool belt that's going to help you automate that, you're going to want to check out HydraVid. Today we're going to take a look at HydraVid, an over-the-shoulder look, so you can see exactly what it is, exactly what it can do for you. And as well as that, I've also saw some really neat bonuses that I've thrown in that are going to help you really hit the ground running when it comes to using HydraVid and optimizing your online business. Before we get into all that though, it'd really help me out if you dropped a like on this video, and if you want more updates, more videos like this with new platforms coming out, hit that subscribe button and also turn on that little bell notification so that you don't miss out. Also, really quickly, if you want to jump ahead anytime during this video and check out HydraVid on your own, make sure you first click that link in the description, because what that will do is send you off to my bonus page, which looks like this. You have the term, my legal stuff at the top, contact details, but really the way my bonus page works is it is integrated with the official HydraVid vendor sales page. What that means is if you go through the link in the description first and then you click on any of these green buttons, that will secure your bonuses, these bonuses, exclusive to me, before then launching you off to the vendor sales page so you can purchase. And what that means is when you get HydraVid, you'll not only get HydraVid, which is what most people will do when they just purchase it straight up, you're also going to get my bonuses with HydraVid sent to you in one big bundle that you can access immediately. Now really quickly, the first bonus that'll be thrown in is called Sales Funnel Optimization Strategies. It's really important that you integrate a sales funnel into whatever you're doing online. So if you're using HydraVid to create content and blast content out, I'm assuming that that is the first step in your sales funnel, which is putting out content in order to generate an audience, generate views, and then push that audience through to, I don't know, a landing page, an offer, your blog, your website, then pushing it through to your email list, then getting that on an automated email, product offer, or whatever. That's really what a sales funnel is, or that is one type of, 1,000 different sales funnels you can have. You need to be thinking about sales. You need to be thinking about having a sales funnel just really to streamline everything and automate everything and take a lot of the legwork out of what you're doing, and also so you can identify any problems and bottlenecks way easier. A sales funnel is going to help you do all of that. So I threw that in there, something for you to go through and think about. Bonus number 2 I've got for you is called Video Marketing Profit Kit, and what this is going to do is teach you how to market on video and teach you the ins and outs of that. That's important in any video, because even if your content is about, I don't know, going to the beach or just traveling, it's always good to know how to throw in a little bit of copy, a little bit of sales material, a little bit of marketing if you ever want to push your audience towards an offer, towards you making some money from your content. This is really going to help you out with that. Bonus number 3, I've thrown in how to become an influencer. Now, you might not want to become an influencer. That might sound like a headache to a lot of people out there, but that doesn't mean to say there isn't a lot of valuable information in this product that you can mimic what influencers do in order to generate massive followings. So this goes into personal brand, how to optimize yourself on each platform, how to choose a niche, how to find your niche audience, how to work with other influencers, and just really everything, an all-encompassing product that really teaches you how influencers, how they do it, so to speak. So any way that you can learn how to generate an audience, that is just going to equal more sales for you. Views equals audience equals traffic equals sales. It's that simple. Bonus number 4 I've gotten for you is called Fail-Proof Headlines and Copywriting Expert. So a 2-part bonus. I threw these in there together for you. And really it's going into how to write proper headlines, and how to write copy. So this is applying to your headers on your videos and your descriptions, how to draw people in. Okay, you can have the best content in the world, but no one's going to even look at it, no one's going to click on it, no one's going to watch it until you are drawing them in off your headline and off your description, which is what people actually see first. So these two products here are going to help you to draw that audience in so they're actually clicking on your content. Okay, most people don't think about this. Everyone hears content is king, and well, it's only king if people are watching it, right? So you need that. You need to also know how to draw people into even watching it. So these products are going to help you out with that. The last bonus is I've gotten you exclusive access to some vendor bonuses, 6 vendor bonuses that they've hooked me up with to give to you that they thought would go hand in hand with HydraVid really well too. So let's take a quick look at that. The first bonus is called Video Backing Loops, 47 video loops to add motion to any video. Bonus 2, background audio tracks, so public domain audio tracks that you can use so you're not pinged downloading random songs from YouTube. It's very easy to get pinged these days. You really have to go with public domain music, so you've got a lot. 101 audio backing tracks here. Bonus number 3, WordPress Viral VidBox. Create shareable, embeddable viral experiences that build your list exclusively in a WordPress plugin. Bonus 4, Express Video Mastery, the ultimate guide to mastering video marketing. So you've got 2 video marketing products here. Bonus number 5, Video Pop X, boost your email leads and track every video with Video Pop. So that's good if you are putting your content in emails as well and you want to see who's looking at that. And bonus number 6 is WordPress Video Opt-in, create full page video opt-in systems for maximum site conversions. So if that all sounds good to you, step 1, click the link in the description. You'll go to my bonus page, click on these green buttons, it'll lock in your bonuses before sending you off to the HydraVid vendor sales page, which looks like this. And I would recommend going through this page in your own time, checking out all the functions and features and benefits so you can really make sure that it's something that you want. If you do decide to purchase, you'll be sent a digital receipt, which looks like this. And as I said before, under the green button will be HydraVid, under the blue button will be all the bonuses. So as I said, easy peasy, you're getting them all together. Any problems, my email's right here. And also keep your eye on this countdown timer because when it runs out, these bonuses and these exclusive pricing offers will no longer be available. However, this countdown timer will go up or down. So if you come through to my bonus page after this video and it's still not on 0, if it's gone back up, that means that there's still availability there. If it's on 0 though, things are ran out. So really just keep coming back, check it out, see whether there's still time on there. If there is time on there, you're still entitled to all those offers. So basically the sooner you get in, the more you get for the less price. So right now we're going to get into an over-the-shoulder look at HydraVid so you can see exactly what to expect.
HydraVid has always been about taking a video and getting it out onto multiple platforms. We can literally take a single video and distribute it across multiple platforms. That's what HydraVid has always been about. And this time, with HydraVid Pro, we're adding a whole new level that should make you jump out of your seat. The first thing is we've got a brand new video editor. Now this is a drag and drop editor that allows you to take a video, add it to a timeline, add components like stickers, add an audio track, and as simple as that, compile a video ready to go into your library. Now from the library, of course, we can schedule that right out to our massive distribution network. The other side of things is we have the new step-by-step wizard, which allows you to create a video quicker and easier than ever possible before. All of this has been built to make sure that HydraVid is the ultimate in video tool. Create, edit, and distribute out using the HydraVid Pro system and make sure that your content is getting as many eyeballs as possible.
All right, I hope you enjoyed that demo. Now really quickly, if you go through to my bonus page again, you will find a little bit of a summary on HydraVid as well as the pricing. So the front end HydraVid Pro is $37 to $47 depending how early you get in, and it basically includes everything that you just saw in the demo. One-time offer number 1 is HydraVid Syndicate, $19.95 a month or $147 a year. Syndicate allows members to access a massive extended network of sites that have been built over years. We're talking YouTube, Vimeo, Blogger, WordPress, Dailymotion, and more. Hundreds of sites, increasing the power and reach of any video that is uploaded. There is nothing else like it on the planet. That's also going to help your backlinking massively, which if you're primarily on YouTube, even if you only want to be on YouTube, it'd be great to be able to syndicate to so many different platforms so that your YouTube video gets extra backlink juice and shoves it right to the top of the listings for the keywords you're trying to rank for. One-time offer number 2 is HydraVid Agency. Opens up the ability to have agency level customers of your own, set their accounts, manage their video marketing for them, and charge for the service. Everything you need to manage video marketing as an agency is included in the HydraVid Pro agency level account. So if you're on Fiverr, if you want to use HydraVid to offer services to other people and you want to keep all those profits, this is the HydraVid Agency is going to be the thing that you want. So I should also say really quick before we close out, you do only need this 37 front end offer in order to get access to the bonuses. So don't think you need all these one-time offer upsells to get the bonuses. You only need the basic package. So if you take into consideration everything you're getting for just $37, there really is a ton of value on offer here. If you do have any further questions or concerns, feel free to drop them in the comments, my email, my social media. I do reply to absolutely everybody. If not, I hope you enjoy HydraVid. I think you're gonna like it a lot. Hope you love those bonuses as well. And I'll catch you again on the next video. Take care.